You see, finally we have rain again in Medjugorje. You look at the clouds. We had a big thunderstorm and a lot of rain. And I was sitting here in Hotel Cafe Restaurant Craze, having lunch with good friends. That is Medjugorje. You will find a lot of people with a lot of heart, a lot of soul, telling you the right things at the right time, guiding you. And this is part of the journey here in Medjugorje. If you open your heart, you will see that. And we have rain, as you can see. It's raining. Temperatures are down. Hello, nice to see you. You're good? And yeah, going to church, looking what's going on over there. After the heavy rain, you see it was a heavy rain and thunder. We're around 3:30 now. Hello? And let's see what's going on here at St. James Church. My bike over there. This is the second time that it's raining for months now. But you see the sun is coming out again. What is good, my bike is washed. I like that. It's quite cool, I would say. It really cooled down. You see the confessional area. So in summer, every time at 6 to 7 you have the confessions here, and winter time 5 to 6. Starting at 5, in summer 6 o'clock. Here you see all the languages. Please take from here the languages they speak, the chairs in summer outside, if not in the booths over there, confessional booths. And here is Our Lady. And I will now go to Adoration, which is down here, the Adoration Chapter. Here it is, the Adoration Chapter, and here you can see how much it rained. You see the water over there? It came down, it poured down. And here's the Adoration Chapel, and I'll leave you with this view. So over here, and here we go. So please pray for me. I pray for you now in adoration, for all your intentions, and have a good day wherever you are. Bye bye.